That's my earring. Charlie, say hello. Say hello. Say welcome to Nick the Cody Vlogs. Nope, you don't know who I am, but I don't care. Welcome to the vlog. I don't know what he has planned, but this is his intro. Deal with it. No? Okay. I love this song! Me too!
Charlie. Right here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Charlie. What? Got the camera high? Oh, you want your mommy, huh? So cute.
Music balls. Didn't go first way. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her.
Look, it's got a bird.
They got it. Tell her no fly. I just saw fly when I said that. Charlie, come see mama. Mom put S'more back in his cage. Charlie don't want mama. Charlie said no mama. Come on. Come on. No mama. Oh. That's my good girl. Hi, Charlie. Show them color. Charlie's a good girl. Charlie's a good girl. There's music in the background. You're gonna get copyrighted.
Alright.
Charlie.
Alright, let's go outside. Play with patches.
Charlie's a good girl? Yes, Charlie's a good girl. Never her cage outside. Charlie, we're gonna go outside. What are you doing with that? Charlie's going outside. I just said that. That's her outside cage. Pretty bird. Is the clip on there? Yeah, the clip's on there.
Alright, Charlie.
That's for the door.
How you get in?
No, I'm gonna have to put her in. Calm down. Look at him. Go in. She likes that cage. She knows the drill. She knows that Mama don't play. She's excited. Mama don't play. You gonna listen to Mama. Where's my home?
Mowgli the bearded dragon. Alright. So, show y'all this. Look at this. Alright. We're gonna go see Patches. Patches is a mean rooster that you have to beat him up sometimes to show him who's the boss. Okay. Right.
I'm not going in there. I could record you in there though. But I'm not going in there.
You don't want to see Patches.
He's not very patchy right now because we beat him up.
Yeah, Patches. You see how calm Patches is? Patches is the rooster back there. Gonna beat him up because
Him bad.
him bad. So now he's being good. So I'm gonna go in the cage and see if him good still. If him not good, him gonna get beat down. Oh. Come here, Patches. You good boy? Yeah, you good boy. I don't think he wants no smoke.
I guess not. You beat them up earlier.
Kind of jumped him. Now, let's see what he does when I turn my back. Him good boy?
Yeah, he's running away from me.
Alright. You be a good boy. Him a good boy. Alright. So now, we go see Commander. Look at all these little Dubras. Alright, now we can go see Tom and Jerry. They some turnerkies. Look at this dude. Alright, I'm gonna open this thing up. Dubra. Look at all damn chickens and roosters and everything else in here. It's a lot. You want to see something cool? Look. We already fed him, so I don't want to do that too many times. Alright, boys and girls, so obviously I'm not at the chicken farm anymore. I'm at the crib. This is actually like the next day. So yeah, what you seen there is just a little bit of what I do every day. I feed chickens, give them water, and I'm a chicken tender, you know. I see about the chickens and the roosters and the hens and the turkeys and the peacocks, and I think that's it. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. That's just a very little bit. I'm gonna get more in detail on that later. I just want to let you know the camper build is still a thing. I was in the process of filming that video, but the pressure washer was giving me trouble and stuff, so I'm just waiting to get another pressure washer to do that. I'll probably borrow one from a family member and stuff. So yeah, y'all keep waiting for that one, and like, subscribe, comment, let me know what's poppin', G's. Later. Later.